It's your girl Maya. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. But guys, I really need to vent. I need to vent. I don't know whom or where to vent my frustrations, but I just know I have to do this because I'm not okay. So guys, there was a video which was supposed to go up yesterday. For one reason or the other, it didn't go up. So I decided to upload it today, maybe latest 3 p.m. And unfortunately, that won't happen because I've lost all the footages that I have been editing for the past 1 week. Yeah, so guys, I just feel like I'm done. Like I'm done. I've wasted my time, my energy, my sleep. I was sleeping so late, guys, editing that. And I'm just here. I've just lost them within a second. This is what is happening, guys. My phone memory is low, so it cannot accommodate everything. And my computer just crashed the other day. Yeah, but I'm working on replacing. So I'm here. I'm stuck. I'm frustrated. I don't know what to do. To add insult to an injury, guys, my nanny woke up today in the morning. She dressed up, carried her bag, and just told me. She came where I was, and she was like, "Give me money. I want to go." I was like, "Are you okay? Go where? I want to go home." Guys, this has been one hell of a day. It's been one hell of a day. Guys, it's not fair that someone can wake up just like that. You haven't wronged them, and they want to go like out of nowhere. I want to go, and there I'm losing my footages again. And I have phone this over. Yeah, you can imagine. Yeah. Oh, I cast this day. Today is on Wednesday, the 2nd of Feb. I'm not gonna forget this day, guys. I've just lost more like there were more like 20 footages. No, 20, those are 20 videos, guys. 20 videos. Yeah. Nowadays I'm shooting daily, I'm editing and uploading like daily. I feel stuck, guys. Anyways, in everything that happens, in everything negative that happens, I try to see the positive side of it. You see. Yeah. Right now I have plumbers over. It's been 2 weeks now. Yeah. So I'll give you guys mm, you know okay, right now I don't have anything to post, and I'm not in the mood to shoot, guys. I'm not in the mood, like, seriously. I need to heal fast. So I'll just give you a glimpse of what is going on here. Yeah. I know someday I'll come back to this video and be like, this was the darkest day, and you made it. You're tough, Maya. You're tough. But I'm so frustrated, guys. I'm just so frustrated. This day decided. This day just decided to dull my shine, huh? And the nanny drama. I don't know what I can talk about. I don't know if I can talk about that right now. But these things need mature people. Yeah, people who know what they're doing. People who know what brought them. They're not some girls who are just they are passing time. Those who wanna I don't know what to say, guys. I don't know what to say, and I don't want to taint anyone here, but it's not fair. It's not fair. There's something that we call, there is courtesy. We are grown up. We are grown up people. You just can't wake up and tell me, you know what, I'm leaving. Give me my money. Your I don't have. I don't have trees where I pluck money from. Yeah, so it's good give a notice. And yeah, don't go with this is what I normally say. When you are leaving someone, live in good faith. You will need them. Okay, I mean, I will need her someday, or she might need me someday, so there's no need to know, just part ways in good faith. And yeah, that's what grown up people do. I don't know what to say, guys. I've just even I don't know what I'm speaking right now. Hey, baby. At least when I look at my baby, she will cheer me up. Anyway, guys, so I'll give you a glimpse of what has been happening here. So, guys, we moved to this place like 1.5 years ago. Yeah, our house wasn't complete back then, and we just decided to live to live in. So while we just finish it slowly. Building ain't building is so stressful. Building ain't a walk in the park, guys. Yeah, so unakaukiwa, unafika mahali tu unakaukiwa. Then the good thing is you have no one coming to knock on your door. That rent is due. That's what is comforting. So, guys, I'll give you a glimpse of what has been happening here. And in 1 month's time, now I'll do an official reveal. Yeah, because now, right now, I'm giving you a before. Then in 1 month or 3 weeks' time, I'll give you an after. Yeah, so hope you enjoy. And this is to encourage someone. You don't need a lot of money, just start somewhere. Like as we started, we didn't see the whole staircase, we just took a step. So this is to encourage someone. Yeah, so guys, that is it for today. Aki, I'm so frustrated. i don't have I don't know if I have any energy left. Guys, able imagine working for something for more than a month, and it's just disappears in seconds. Hmm? Yeah, so guys, let me give you a glimpse. And I hope I'll encourage someone out there. Don't mind about how I look. This was just a random video because I just felt like venting my frustrations. I just felt like venting my frustrations because I don't want any ulcers or blood pressure. I don't want that. So, guys, let me give you a glimpse. Bye bye.